They were up on top of the shelf. The breakfast bar shelf. This is not your normal pigeon, this is a racing pigeon. Look at the rings. The door! Quick! Door! Thank you. You cheeky pigeon, you try to go in my house. Oops. That's my onion pot. Do you think you could get out of it, please? Yeah, that's my onions.
I'll make sure to shut the door.
Yeah, it almost went up the stairs.
It's very friendly.
Yes, now, so go over to the bin. You're going to have to step over the wet bits.
Almost like if I just do that,
Yeah.
will you take it from my hand?
Go on. Go on.
It's nice, no?
No, okay. Do you mind not trampling on my stuff? Nope. I don't care. But yeah, put some on the bin there.
Put them on the, I'll put them on the wall actually.
And then put it on the bin.
And then on the bed. And then from there, yeah. Then keep the door closed.
Well, Ben can peek out if he
Ben
wants.
can peek out if he wants, but there's a pigeon.
It's a racing.
Friendly
It's a
one.
racing pigeon.
What's this? Nope. Of course, I'm not going to put it in your
You
wildlife.
can maybe put it down on there.
I'll put one down. It's in water up there.
No. You might know that as a kind of feed sound.
Do you need to
Ben,
turn the
Can you go turn the tap off
Yeah.
at the back door?
Back door. Make sure to shut the door. Dad was not too happy with it, by the way.
You shake the thing and maybe you have some on your hand. It's hungry.
You are a really messy eater.
Yep. Do you not like mealworms?
Maybe not. Mate, you are making an absolute
Then
mess
put
of
them
it.
down there now. You're like, no, I like feeding it.
Yeah.
It's not probably its usual grain, but
Okay, that's enough.
like tip them. You know, just
I'm gonna.
was that nice? Yeah, you see the numbers and it's ringed on its legs.
Yeah.
So that's a proper racing pigeon.
Aren't you pretty? Yeah.
I don't know what you have to do to kind of contact the owner for. Oh.
Hi.
Woo! No, not me, not me, not me.
Hello, beautiful.
It just landed on Asta's shoulder. Do you mind getting out of my? I've just zoomed there.
Hello, come here.
Come on,
I like it on
Ben.
my shoulder.
come through.
Don't just one way or the other.
Yeah. Oi!
No.
I've just sown.
Which means it's nice. Oh, that's pounded.
There's
Yeah, Ben, door.
Yeah, there's seeds in. I don't want to eat your
Right.
seeds.
Come here. If you just put some down on the drive, maybe.
Hello. Careful the door. Is he going back to your seeds?
Yes. Yes, Jessie, yes.
Yeah, there you
Yeah.
go, up there. Hello.
You could always put some on the wall there.
I did earlier. hot. Could you
Take that then.
take that then? I just hope it didn't count that as a come here.
But yeah, it tried to go in the house.
It tried to go in the house, it tried to go on the shoulder. It did not.
Well, they're supposed to be trained to go back to its home.
Yeah. It's so pretty though. Why can't I have a pigeon? I want a pigeon, mother.
You better not start eating my Swiss chard.
I can just see its head through. Hello.
What are you gonna do to all my stuff?
Hello. It's definitely regarding me.
Yeah, it's like, okay, what are you gonna do?
Hello.
But it definitely kind of like, ooh, I'll land on you then.
Yeah, that was so cool.
You always put your arm out, see if it wants to land on you.
You wanna come here?
Think it wants to.
Yeah.
Either that was trying to work out if you get food.
Food. It's probably food. But it doesn't seem to
Yeah, big B.
it doesn't seem to like the mealworm. Come here.
Well, that's all I've got.
Who's this?
Look,
Landed on my shoulder.
it's a racing pigeon, it's ringed. It's a messy eater. We filled up the dirty cup so that it can get to water if it needs to.
You want some more? Now it's like, okay, you're feeding
Yeah,
me.
yeah, just put,
Hey, hey, hey. Nope, nope.
It will-
Okay, it will come back.
yeah, put some more in the bin.
Jenny